Grand Rising. All right, so if you're having trouble manifesting, this video's for you. So I want you to lay in a comfortable position, take a couple deep breaths. I want you to close your eyes and imagine yourself holding a green apple with your imaginary hand, okay? So I want you to assume that you already have this apple in your hand. So you're observing the stem, you're observing the color green on the apple. And you simply do this over and over and over until you fall asleep. So you fall asleep in this state. And once you manifest it, you're going to understand that your imagination does create reality. But I want you to also understand you can do this for anything, your health, $1 million, a new house, a new car. So just keep it simple. Neville Goddard teaches that. Remember, God is your own wonderful human imagination. So use it wisely.
Yeah.